Hello everyone, Christian from Imperial Workshop, and today I'll be going over how to get your saber in and out of the volume control settings. So let's get into it. Okay guys, it's going to be a pretty straightforward video for you today. So all you're going to have to do is make sure that your saber is on, your blade is not ignited, because if your blade is on, you will not be able to get your saber into the volume control settings. So go ahead and make sure that this stays off through the entire process. Alright, so all you're going to have to do is hold on this power button and clash the hilt or the blade just like this.
Volume level 8.
And then you'll be put into the volume control settings just like that. So I'm at volume level 8. So let's bring it to volume level 2.
Volume level 9. Max volume. Mute volume. Volume level 2.
So now that I'm at volume level 2, I'm just going to hold on that power button again and clash the hilt or the blade just like I did to get it into these settings.
Volume level 2.
So now my volume level is selected and my saber is ready to go. All I have to do is click that power button once. And I'm good to go. Thanks for watching everyone. Make sure to go check our other videos out if you have any more questions. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.